Oh, look at these babies. Ooh, fully loaded. Somebody's getting some ballast. Think these are pretty. Let me go show you something else. Check these out. Well, that's a picture of pretty. So I'm in Buchanan, West Virginia, and this is the Appalachian and Ohio Railway. Had to stop and take a look at these. GP 38-2. Now, I know absolutely nothing about this railroad, but I thought I'd stop and get them because they're really good looking locos. There's a nice set of twins sitting here. That's a picture. They've got a nice yard here. Small little sanding tower. Yeah, so there you go. Thought I'd stop here in Buchanan, West Virginia, get a quick snapshot of the Appalachian and Ohio Railroad. I will see what I can find online and post it in the description. Alright. Till next time, like, share, subscribe. Don't cost nothing. Hit that button. Pappy out. Yeah, I couldn't resist. Had to walk the line real quick, because these are beautiful. See ya.